Karma Guy here. Check out this 2017 Toyota Tacoma Double Cab TRD Sport with a dealer service history and recent service valued at over $615. It also comes with up-to-date emissions and original books. This truck is dealer certified pre-owned and backed by our Quality Plus warranty, 3 months or 3,000 miles. Plus, you can grab a 5-year maintenance plan at a discounted price when you purchase. Recent service includes spark plugs, cabin air filter, fresh oil change, and more. We also included a recent computer scan, no trouble codes, no dash warning lights, and it passed emissions diagnostics. Remember, any price reductions or discounts could void the CPO status and warranty, so ask about our lifetime warranty upgrade at the time of sale. The bitterness of poor quality remains long after the sweetness of low price is forgotten. Come see us today